Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products for your home. Today, we're talking about the Looloo Touch-Free Toilet Freshener, the ultimate solution to keeping your bathroom smelling fresh and clean all the time. If you're tired of dealing with unpleasant odors in the bathroom, this is the product for you. The Looloo Toilet Freshener is more than just a bathroom air freshener. It's a holiday-themed smell blocker made with natural essential oils that works wonders to eliminate unwanted bathroom odors. This product is designed to fit seamlessly into your bathroom routine. The Looloo Touch-Free Toilet Freshener features a touch-free dispenser that automatically freshens your toilet every time you flush. It's simple to use, just replace the refill in under 5 seconds, and you're good to go. The best part? It's aerosol-free, ensuring a clean and natural way to fight odors without using any harsh chemicals. So, you get the freshness of essential oils, which are not only safe for you and your toilet but also help create a relaxing atmosphere in your bathroom. One of the key highlights of the Looloo Toilet Freshener is its long-lasting power. Each refill contains enough fragrance for up to 400 sprays, which can last around 3 months. That's more than enough to keep your bathroom smelling fresh all year round, with no need for constant refills or frequent replacements. Plus, the refill packs are easy to replace, making it a hassle-free experience. The Looloo Toilet Freshener comes in a variety of scents, with the Christmas wreath fragrance being a popular choice during the holiday season. Whether you're hosting family and friends or simply want to maintain a pleasant bathroom environment, this fragrance adds a delightful touch of warmth and freshness that complements your holiday decor. But it's not just about the fragrance, it's about the ingredients too. The Looloo Touch-Free Toilet Freshener uses only simple, natural essential oils. These oils are safe for both you and your toilet, which means you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals lingering in the air or affecting your plumbing. This is a big win for those who are looking to keep their home environment clean and eco-friendly. With the Looloo Toilet Freshener, you no longer have to worry about the typical air freshener sprays or manually trying to mask bathroom odors. It's automatic, effortless, and provides consistent freshness that lasts. Whether it's your daily routine or a holiday gathering, the Looloo Toilet Freshener ensures your bathroom is always ready for guests and smells amazing every time you step inside. So if you're ready to elevate your bathroom experience and say goodbye to unwanted smells, the Looloo Touch-Free Toilet Freshener is your go-to product. Easy to use, long-lasting, and made with natural essential oils, it truly is the best solution for a fresh bathroom. Be sure to check it out and transform your bathroom today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews like this. We'll see you in the next video.